Okay, before you launch, Eric, let's take a quick peek at this engineering marvel. Yes, it's supposed to be all the way down the rod, but the duct tape engineering has prevented the launch vehicle from going on its launcher. Okay, I'm going to stand back because there's a very real possibility that it's just going to spin. Okay, whenever you're ready, Eric.
All right.
I'm going on this side.
Yeah, Allie, you might want to... Oh, I mean it. This might go terrible. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Ah! and the astronauts did not survive. There was no deployment. I think it deployed when it hit the ground. That was not quite the 1,000 feet we were expecting. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, look at the rocket fuel.
Yeah,
Cool.
that's black powder.